Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna mod the fog lights. So the stock ones, it comes with these yellow lens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clear it out. I'm gonna make it turn clear. So I'm showing you guys how to do this. So this is gonna be a fog light mod. So the reason why I want it clear is so I can change the bulb color instead of having yellow all the time. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show you how to open that, and I'm gonna clear this out. Alright, to open up the headlights, you just heat around pretty much around here. Heat it up until you get hot with a heat gun. Then you just pry it with a flathead and lift it up with your hand. After you get it with the flathead in the corner spot, this thing broke off from mine, but the other side didn't. But just pry with your hand now, once you get able to break it loose. And that's how you take it apart. And this just pop off. There it goes. Alright, so the stock one, this is the stock one. Hopefully you guys can see it. I can't really see on the screen. I'm looking. Alright, so this is the stock one. Hopefully you guys can see. So these are the stock ones. These come in yellow. I don't know why they didn't make it clear. But I'm gonna turn this into this. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to sand it down and what to use. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for the mod. And I'm gonna paint the fog light black. So all you need is a drill, or if you have sandpaper, whatever that thing calls. Get a drill with an 80 grit or 180 grit and just sand it down all the way until it turns clear. So you can get this for like what, at AutoZone for like what, $7, $10? Yeah, so yeah, just keep sanding it down until it's clear. Let me screw it back in. Came loose. Yeah, so yeah, all you need is this. You pretty much sand it down. I mean, get this for like $8, $10 at AutoZone. They come with like a assortment pack of sandpaper, so it's 80-40 grit. And I'm using the 80 grit. And yeah, all you need is a drill too, and just start sanding. Alright, so now it's pretty much got it cleared. Just get some water, spray on it, clean it up, get all the dust out. The towel, clean it up. What I would recommend is get like a polisher or a compound and like clean the area. So like, you know how like when you polish your headlights, when you sand it down and you polish it or compound it, you get some of that. Or what I have is a clear coat spray. I'm gonna use that. So I'm just gonna spray some clear coat on there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna spray some clear coat on there, just a little bit. One coat, that's be fine. So this is the after one. The other one, it's pretty clean. Got let it, it's already dried and all that stuff. You just gotta take the bumper off and pretty much put it back in and paint the housing. Alright guys, it's getting kind of dark. Try to finish this. Alright guys, so it's nighttime. Put everything back together. This is the fog lights. How come? Came out pretty good. Pure white. I mean, the freaking cover of the fog lights is pretty dirty, but came out pretty good. Yep, as you can see, pretty bright. And that's how you do the fog light mod to clear. I hope you guys like it. Drop a like.